Alright, welcome to problem set 1.2 on page number 21. I'm going to skip 1 through 22 right now, and there's no carrying, so let's just start with 23 to 48, try a couple of those. Let's look at 38. It's got 13,579, and what we're going to do with that is we're going to add 97,531. Alright, notice my columns are straight and in line. Neatness is very, very important when it comes to math, so make sure you work hard at doing that. Start on the right hand side, we take our 9 and our 1 and add it together and we get 10. So because 10 is a 2-digit number, we write the last digit down and take the first digit and put it in the next column but up on top. Take our 1 and our 7 and get 8, and add 3 to that and we get 11. So again, we put one digit down and bring our first digit, our 1, up here. We got 5 and 5 is 10, plus this 1 is again 11, so we put a 1 there and carry the 1. Looks like we're getting a lot of 1s here. 1 and 3 is 4, plus 7 is again 11. Carry the other 1. And we get 9, 10, 11. So our final answer ends up being 111,110. Notice, not only are my columns in order, but my commas stay in order. So I know when my final answer is here, I know right away where to put my comma. So that was number 38. Let's go down and try something like 48. Got some real column issues here. It's important to follow. We've just got 45. Then we've got 9,876. Notice I wrote the 76 first to make sure I would be underneath that 45 there. And then 54. And then we've got 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6,789. And we've got a comma there and a comma there. My line there. And we start adding things together. Alright, so 5 and 6 is 11. Plus 4 is 15. Plus 9 is 24. So we put our 4 down. Take our 2, because it was 24. Put our 2 up here. Gives me 6. 6 and 7 is 13. Plus 5 is 18, plus an 8 is 26. So we put just the 6 down, and the 2 from the 26 we put above the 8 in the hundreds position. We add the 2 and the 8 and get 10, add the 7 and get 17, and because we have 17 we write the 7, carry the 1, we get 10 plus 6 is 16, and we watch where our comma is and we get 16,764. Alright, to turn the page, page number 22, numbers 53 to 58, they're just asking you to rewrite each of the following using the commutative property. If you remember, the commutative property doesn't matter if it's 3 plus 8 or 8 plus 3. So in the problem, such as the one on page 55, they give you 3 plus 8. That's what they want for an answer, 8 plus 3. All they're doing is switching the numbers around, so not much to that. Get to number 59 and go up to 66. They're asking you to use the associative property. So, for example, they give that to you in number 61. All you're going to do is write the number in the same way it was before, 2 plus 1 plus 6, but we're going to put the parentheses on another group of numbers, and this one obviously is the only other group of number. So that's what they gave you, that's what they want. Not much to it, just using the parentheses in a different place. Alright, 67 to 74, they're giving you things like this. And they're asking you, what are you going to add to 5 to get 13? So, if you need your fingers at this time or whatever, you'll find out that it is the number 8 there. So, that's what's going on in that section of the problems. And as we continue down to 75 through 80, we're going to skip those because all they're asking you to do is read that. So, like number 80, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Or the sum of 8 and 2 is 10. Because the instruction does say use the word sum in each case. So 76 would be the sum of 9 and 4. So it's just different ways of reading the equation there. So we're not gonna do any problems from that section, nor are we going to do anything from 81 to 84. But top of page 23, we're going to do some 85 to 92. There are some perimeter problems there. Let's look at 92. That's the last one, and everybody always thinks the last one is the hardest one, so let's go ahead and do that. We've got a triangle, and we're told that that's 4 inches, and this side is 10 inches, and this side is 12 inches. Well, according to perimeter, we just take our 4 plus 10 plus 12. Again, because we're adding, does not matter if you say 4 plus 12 plus 10 or 10 plus 12 plus 4, etc. It's just adding those 3 sides together, and you get P equals 4 plus 10 is 14, plus 12 is 26. Don't forget to put either your symbols for inches or write out inches so we have a unit there. Really important to get used to writing that out. Alright, well, that's it for problem set 1.2 examples. So feel free to go ahead and get started on the homework for lesson 1.2.